What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about a comparison between GoDaddy and Wix. GoDaddy and Wix are two popular website builders that cater to different needs and preferences, offering a range of features and pricing plans to suit various business and personal requirements. In this comparison, we will explore the key differences between Wix and GoDaddy, including prices, ease of use, templates, business features, marketing and SEO, performance, and customer support. Let's start with pricing. Wix offers a range of plans from $0 to $59 per month with a free plan available. The prices are slightly higher than GoDaddy's, but Wix provides more features and customization options. GoDaddy, on the other hand, has 4 affordable pricing plans starting at $0 to $20.99 per month with a free plan available. GoDaddy is generally cheaper than Wix, especially for beginners. Now let's talk about ease of use. Wix is known for its user-friendly interface. Wix's drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to use, especially with its Artificial Design Intelligence or ADI option. However, it can be more challenging to use than GoDaddy due to its extensive customization options. GoDaddy, on the other hand, offers a simple editor and intuitive dashboard, making it perfect for beginners. GoDaddy's ADI setup is also easy to use, allowing users to get their site up quickly. For template availability, Wix provides a massive selection of industry-specific themes with almost limitless customizability for near-complete creative control. GoDaddy, however, has come a long way in its design and customization, but it is still more limited than Wix. GoDaddy doesn't offer the same scope for customization as Wix. When it comes to business features, Wix offers a wide array of business features, including a big app store with nearly everything imaginable. This makes it suitable for businesses that need extensive customization and integration options. GoDaddy, on the other hand, has a modest but solid selection of inbuilt features that are perfect for smaller websites. However, it lacks an app store to help with outside integration. When it comes to marketing and SEO, Wix includes SEMrush, Google Analytics, and Microsoft Clarity integration built in, giving it near undisputed SEO prowess. GoDaddy, on the other hand, has a useful SEO wizard to help optimize your website for search, but it is only available on paid plans. Talking about performance, Wix provides a robust service with over 800 tailor-made templates to suit anyone's needs. It also offers loads of third-party add-ons to finalize your dream website. GoDaddy, on the other hand, offers solid in-house tools for e-commerce, SEO, and marketing to make your webpage visible, but it is less customizable than Wix. When it comes to customer support, Wix offers knowledgeable customer service representatives to help with any issues while building or running your website. GoDaddy, on the other hand, also provides customer support, but it is not as extensive as Wix. In conclusion, the choice between Wix and GoDaddy ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Wix is the better option for those seeking extensive customization and advanced features, while GoDaddy is more suitable for beginners looking for a simple and affordable platform. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.